Hey guys, it's your boy Epic Jamaican here, back at you another video, and today we're gonna be unboxing the Nintendo Switch. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I know a bunch of people have done this before, but I just want to do it for my viewers, and I just picked it up tonight. It's like freaking, it's like 1:16 right now. It's really late. I picked it up at Walmart with my girlfriend, and yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys. We're gonna be doing some two-player gameplay. We picked up a few games that came with it. I think we got like, oops, I think we got two more. Yep. So this is how the box looks, guys, when you open it. I really wanted the colored ones, the red and blue, but we got one of the last ones they had, so we just took these just because. So it comes with these things right here. They look pretty neat. This is like the main system. I'll put this to the side. And these, some cable. This is like the dock thing. Put that to the side. More cables. Put that to the side. Some more stuff. Manual. Nobody reads that. This is the things that come with the Switch thing, I guess. Oh, and there's another one. Yeah, and that's all that comes in the box, guys. Honestly, I could see myself using this thing. Like, it's really nice feel in the hands. Like, I can already tell, like, it's gonna take some getting used to. This is the tower, I guess. Yeah, it has the USB and all that good stuff. So this is the main system. It feels very portable, to be honest. When I saw it, I thought it would have been a lot bigger, but it's not. And let's see if we can just put these on right now. It fits really nice in the hand. Like this right here, it's a I don't even know what this is. They were selling controllers separate, but this is fine for me, to be honest. Like, I don't really need another controller if I'm gonna have this thing right here. Like I said, it is kind of awkward feel in the hand. It's not like a regular controller. Hold on. You can see how they're towards each other, so it feels natural. I don't know. Maybe it's because I've been using it for so many years, but you could see the difference of the placement. Like, it's like this versus like this. Like, so it's pretty big compared to like a controller. You can see the difference, or compared to like a PS4 controller. The screen is pretty big, and it's not a bad thing because it's not heavy at all. You really don't feel it in your hands. It's very light. These small things go on to the Switch for when you're doing handheld games. Okay, so it really does make a difference when you have these in your hands. It really does. Like, the extra beefiness does make you feel like you're actually holding something. Yeah, guys, so that's what you get if you pick up a Nintendo Switch. Thank you for watching. It's been your boy Epic Jamaican. Stay tuned and subscribe. I will actually give away a copy of the Nintendo Switch if this, like I said in my last videos, if the video gets to 100 likes, I'll give away a copy of the Nintendo Switch to one of my subscribers. All you have to be is subscribe to the channel, and if the video gets to 100 likes, I'll give away a copy. So thank you guys for watching. It's been your boy Epic Jamaican. Like and subscribe, and peace.